Welcome to Proceeding Onward in America. So today we are emptying our sewer and gray water tanks. We were able to come here and dump for free. So this is the lovely thing we are dumping into. So stay tuned to me doing my first dump station into a big sewer. Stay tuned.
What does it smell like?
Poo-poo.
He just dumped everybody's septic tank. There was a guy here earlier that just dumped all the septic tanks from the city.
There. Now we'll stay straightish. So, we're all hooked up. We're going to do the black tank first. The black tank is all your toilet water. Whatever you want to call it. So you do that one first, and then you do your gray tank, which is all your dishwater and all that hoorah. So, sewage. Pull it out, and it'll all flow. Bye. Jiggle, 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 jiggle. So now we're going to do the gray water, which is all your dish sink and like when you brush your teeth and so forth. The reason why you do your gray water tank after your sewage tank is the gray water will help flush out anything that was in your hose or whatever you're using to flush out your system. So that helps clean it out so you don't have anything stuck in it. And then after that you can use water hoses to flush things out as well. I now have the water hose, which will go into here. And you'll connect it. It's connected, we'll turn on the water to help flush everything out. Okay, new glove. Since it's a new glove, I can fix my hair. Come on over, turn it on. And you can hear it go all the way through. Oh yeah, it is. That's how you dump your sewer tank. Yay! For now, you're going to turn off the water. Disconnect. Okay, so now, since we're done, we want to make sure that we close everything back up. Push. Push. Now these are all nice and closed. Then you can detach. Since we are here, I will lift it up some more, see if any more flows out. And also, because people have been dumping on here, it's not really into a tank, I'm going to wash the outside of it. after being somebody that's all wet from dumping the tanks, it's time to put everything away. I have water dripping down my face.